Naturally sweetened. The use of dates provides a natural sweetness, eliminating the need for added sugars, making these Snickers Bites a healthy indulgence. Rich in protein, peanut butter offers a good source of plant-based protein, helping to keep you full and satisfied between meals. Vegan-friendly. All the ingredients are plant-based, making this dessert suitable for vegans and those following a plant-based diet. Gluten-free. These bites are naturally gluten-free, making them a great dessert option for those with gluten intolerances or sensitivities. Dairy-free. Using dairy-free dark chocolate makes this recipe ideal for people avoiding dairy. High in fiber. Dates are packed with fiber, which supports healthy digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Low in refined sugars. The absence of refined sugars makes these a much healthier alternative to store-bought candy bars. Healthy fats. Peanut butter provides healthy fats that support heart health and provide lasting energy. Antioxidant-rich. Dark chocolate is high in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from oxidative stress. Quick and easy. This no-bake recipe can be prepared in just a few minutes, offering a quick solution for a sweet craving. Portable snack. These bites are easy to pack and take on the go, making them a convenient snack option for busy days. Kid-friendly. Kids will love these bites as a healthier alternative to candy, and parents can feel good about the ingredients. Customizable. You can easily modify the recipe by adding toppings like sea salt, coconut, or crushed nuts for extra texture and flavor. Perfect for meal prep. You can make a batch of these bites ahead of time and store them in the fridge or freezer for whenever you need a quick snack. Low calorie. Compared to traditional Snickers bars, these bites are lower in calories, making them a guilt-free option for dessert. Satisfies sweet cravings. The combination of dates and dark chocolate provides a satisfying treat that curbs your sweet tooth without overindulging. Balanced nutrients. This recipe offers a balanced combination of proteins, healthy fats, and carbs for a nutritious snack. No-bake recipe. You don't need an oven to make these bites, making the process simple and energy efficient. Great for parties. These bite-sized treats are perfect for serving at parties or gatherings as a healthy dessert option. Supports weight loss. With controlled portions and low-calorie ingredients, these bites fit into a weight loss plan without sacrificing flavor. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.